After subscribing, hit the bell icon and never miss an update from Chetna Kalip.
Where in the hell I am. And I know what you're gonna think. She might be busy, that's why she's not uploading, she's not in contact anymore. Oh my god. By the way, this all stuff is true, huh? I was busy, I was sick, I was having client, and I was dating at the same time, so I was so damn busy. But you cannot say that I wasn't in contact. And you can contact me any second you want and ask any kind of queries. If you have, I'll tell you how. But before that, free me up. Come on, don't capture me in your heart. Like you know, I'm always on Autanki, right? Yo, what's going on YouTube? I'm back on my YouTube session. If you don't know who I am, I'm Chetna Kalip and it's a vlogging channel regarding flirt, date, love, relationship or anything between kind of questions, stuff whatsoever. If you're brand new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notification and leave a comment below. I'll give you a shout out in my next video. So today we're going to talk about 5 mistakes that men make that kills attraction in men. Just suppose you're dating a girl, like your dream girl. Everything was going smooth, good, fine as wine, and then she started reacting in a way that you have never ever imagined. Like why? Why is she acting crazy, man? Well, you pissed her off. When you try to attract a girl, you chase her, right? You try to impress her, like, oh my god, I'm looking good, my style, my body, my looks. You give her proper attention. You give her proper attention that she wants. You make her feel special in a way. You get her attention, you both start dating, you hang out, you eat, you laugh together, you have very good gala time, I can say. Then you tell her you like her, she reciprocates, she tell you, okay, you're a kind of guy that I actually wanted, even I love you and I like you. There you are. There you are. That's where you leave all your responsibilities, all the attraction, all the kindness, gone. I mean, like, why? Why? When you're starting something, make it till the end. Make it till the end. You cannot just like put efforts till the moment you get the girl. So number one, the moment you realize she likes you back, she's reciprocating, don't stop putting your efforts. अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि okay मैं जाऊंगा उसका दिल जीतूंगा वो मेरी हो जाएगी then I'll get back to work, नहीं, then you're not ready for a relationship. You were just out for a hunt. Women do love men who treat them all life same like the day one. Point number two, when you don't respond to the text properly. If she is texting you and उस text के बाद में आप अगर proper जवाब नहीं दे रहे हैं या आप देखकर ignore कर रहे हैं या आप बहुत like hours के बाद में reply कर रहे हैं, it's like very unattractive. And अगर text में कोई बात की गई है या text में अगर कुछ कहा गया है, आप उसे ignore करके completely अपना एक नया chat अगर चालू कर रहे हैं, एक नई conversation चालू कर रहे हैं, that's really very not interesting. Like that's bleh. Even if you want to tell her something excited or something new, respond to the text that she texted you first. Whatever she was saying, respond to that conversation and then start a new stuff, whatever you want to say. Point number three, if you really want to be her man, attend her calls on time. Not responding to her phone calls on time or even after seeing missed calls, you are just texting and you're like not even asking, hey, you called me. At least do ask, why did you call me? First of all, pick her calls on time because if she might be in some kind of emergency, she's gonna call you. You are her man. Come on. If you are not ready for that kind of responsibility, you're not ready for the relationship. So women do get pissed off when you don't pick their call up on time. At least do pick the call. If you're busy, say, I'm busy, I'll call you back in some time. But at least do pick the calls up. This shows you are a responsible, quality man. Point number four, being not available for her. A girl always wants a boyfriend, a woman always wants a man to be there when she needs him the most. But if you're not there available for her, are you really like able to be her man? If she offers you something like dinner date or something maybe like important date, like Valentine's or something, if she's offering you something, just go with her. Even if you're busy, at least give her some time, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, जो भी available time हो, जितना भी बन सके उतना time साथ spend करने की कोशिश करे. Because if you are not available, somebody else gonna grab your queen. And last but not least, number 5. If you know You have made some mistake, accept it. If you know you pissed her off and she's upset, she's hurt, and you're pretending, oh my god, मुझे नहीं पता, मैंने क्या किया? Like, why are you acting so weird? This is this is hilarious. Like, this is juvenile. Come on, be a man. Explain yourself. Don't just run away. And a special tip. बीइंग अ काउंसलर मैं आपको यही सजेस्ट करूंगी कि जैसे एफर्ट्स आप डे 1 लगा रहे थे किसी का अटेंशन गेन करने के लिए, वैसा ही एफर्ट आप अब भी लगाएं उस चीज को मेंटेन रखने के लिए. एंड फिर आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड, आपकी पार्टनर जो भी है, वो चिट करती है, आपको कहती है कि यू आर नॉट गिविंग मी टाइम, यू डोंट रिस्पॉन्ड टू माई टेक्स्ट, यू डोंट कॉल मी, यू डोंट रिसीव माई कॉल्स और व्हाट्सएवर, यू डोंट कम ऑन टाइम, और मे बी यू जस्ट डोंट पे अटेंशन द सेम वे यू यूज्ड टू डू. ये सारी चीजें होती है. आप लोग चिट क्यों कर रही है? पहले तो ऐसे नहीं करती थी. दैट्स नॉट हर फॉल्ट, दैट्स योर फॉल्ट ड्यूड. आप पहले के जैसे एफर्ट्स नहीं लगा रहे हो. आप एफर्ट्स लगाओ मत, आप मेंटेन रखो एफर्ट्स को. दैट्स इट. आप अगर वो काम नहीं कर रहे हो, ऑब्वियस सी बात है, रिश्तों में जहाँ एक चढ़ाव आता है वहां पर उतार भी आता है. इफ यू डोंट मेंटेन द बैलेंस, इफ यू आर मेंटेनिंग बैलेंस इन योर वर्क, इन योर लाइक आपके ऑफिशियल लाइफ में, आपकी फैमिली लाइफ में, यू इवन हैव टू मेंटेन बैलेंस इन योर लव लाइफ एज वेल. सो दीज वर द 5 थिंग्स दैट एक्चुअली पिस अस ऑफ कंप्लीटली, लाइक फीमेल्स completely. आप किसी भी लड़की को पूछ ले, ये वीडियो दिखा दे, everybody would say yes, these things are some kind of things that actually piss her off. It's not dressing sense, it's not your style, it's not your goggles, it's not your shoes, it's not the way you sleep, not the way you eat. These are the things that piss us off completely, so avoid these things. For more, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can even follow me on Chetna Kalep community page on Facebook. You can even follow me on Instagram, Chetna_Kalep. You can even email me on chetnakalep15992@gmail.com for any flirt, date, love, relationship, friendship, or anything with kind of question. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay young and happy, flirt.